Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometric problem. We have a geometric figure. The length of this side is 8 unit and this is 12 unit, and the length of this side is 6 unit, and these two angles are equal. We have to find the length of this side. Consider this triangle is A, B, C. This is a triangle, and this triangle consider as C, D, E. In this two triangle, angle A is equal to angle D. So in triangle ABC, ABC, and in triangle CDE, triangle CDE. In this two triangle, angle A is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle D, and angle C is common angle both of these two triangles, as the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, this is 180 degree, which is same as in this triangle angle C plus angle D plus angle E, or this angle C and angle C will cancel from both sides, and it will remain angle A plus angle B in this triangle is equal to, in this triangle, angle D plus angle E. But angle A is equal to angle D. So substituting angle A is equal to angle D, this angle D plus angle B is equal to this angle D plus angle E. So angle D, this will cancel from both sides, so we can write angle B is equal to angle E. So this angle is also equal to this angle, as three of this angle of triangle ABC is same as in triangle CDE. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle CDE. These two triangles are similar triangle. So you can write angle similarity. So this BC divided by this CD, this is equal to this CE divided by this AC. Or now substituting BC, this is X divided by CD, this CD is X plus 6, X plus 6 is equal to CE, CE, this is 12 divided by AC. This AC is 8 plus 12 unit. 8 plus 12. Now solving this equation, we'll get the value of x, or left side this is x over x plus 6 is equal to right side is 12 over this 8 plus 12 is 20, or left side x over x plus 6 is equal to, simplifying this 12 over 20, this 4 is common, so it will remain 3, and here 5. So right side is 3 over 5. Now applying cross multiplication, we can write 5 times x is 5x is equal to this 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times 6 is 18. Now taking this 3x to left side, we'll get 5x minus 3x is equal to right side 18, or 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to this 18. Now divided both sides by 2, we'll get the value of x is equal to 18 divided by 2 is 9. So the length of this BC is 9 unit, and this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.